So this is my wife's 1999 Honda Accord, and I've been driving it. Gets a little better gas mileage than my pickup, and finding little things that are just not quite right on it, and kind of satisfying to get them fixed. Most of them are pretty inexpensive. One of them is the seats, powered leather seats, but this particular knob is missing for some reason, so I bought this one. I'll put the parts number in the description. I think it was after shipping. It was I don't think it was more than $7, but basically they're really easy to replace if this happens to you. This is a 1999 four-door Honda Accord. They just pop on. Very, very simple. Let's see if I can. There you go. Nice and solid. Works like it should.